Yeah. No. I think it's just full when you take it out. We'll check. The outlet, yeah.
Like, I don't know what I'm getting.
This one was the bags and everything. I don't see bags. Yeah.
Just then body.
Yeah. This is dental clinic.
Quite expensive.
Yeah, I was gonna say it is expensive.
I didn't want to tell them, that's how I just.
Special treatments as well. Just walking, yeah. Let's take the escalator down.
The doctors
Yeah,
and career.
yeah. I didn't know. Oh god, this place is so big.
There's a let's relax here.
They're everywhere, this left area. So you wanna see this place?
So they have structures.
They must.
But why does it smell like a hardware store?
It is. It's Mr. DIY. Okay, yeah, let's not spend time, yeah? Let's go look for your bags. You came here for the bag. I like that game thing. I saw it online and I thought it would be cheap here, but it's not.
Ho Chi Minh is so better.
True that, eh? You take the left down? There's a left there.
So look that. You want to go down and see that?
No, it's fine. If things were cheap here, maybe. But it's like, look at this. Tacos. Taco.
Huh?
Like a taco.
Why does it look like a marshmallow?
It is. It's a sweet taco.
I'm bored with this electronics section.
Yeah, we're going.
It's very developed. I see you getting a trolley.
Okay. Matcha. You also want the matcha latte?
No, we'll share one.
Okay, what else? The station and order whatever.
Do they have light though?
That's